Hi everyone, welcome once again to Learn Excel in 5 minutes tutorial series. So on this video we are going to be looking at the index function and the match function, how we can use all these functions, how they work independently, and then we will also be looking at how we can combine the power of the two functions together. So without much further ado, let's get started. So we'll be starting with the index function. So the index function basically takes an index of rows and columns and supplies the value that coincides with the rows and columns index. So what do I mean? Let's say I want to use the index function. So it starts just like with any other function, equal to. Now the first argument that you insert is your array. So you select the entire array that you want. So this is my array. Now the next argument that it takes is the row number. So this is the row number of the value that I want. So let's assume that I want to get this data David. That is in row number. So it will start from the first column of the selected array. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is row number 4, and then the column is 1, 2. It's on the second column number 2, and with these I can have my David. So you basically get the idea of how index works. So once you supply the index of the row as well as the index of the column, given it's the array that you wanted to search through, you can have any value within your data. Also, we'll be looking at the match function. So basically what the match function does is it also takes an array and then it looks for a particular value, it matches a particular value and gives you the index of that value. So what do I mean? So let's say you want to look for David in this data. So how do we use the match function? So let's say we have match. Now the lookup value, that is David, and the lookup array, that's where we want to search for it. So I want to select this array, and then the match type. So as you can see here, we can either use 1 if it is less than the value, or 0 for an exact match, or greater than for -1. So we want an exact match and we'll be using 0. So we use 0 here, close the brackets, and it gives us this index, which is 4. So I believe you should be able to see the interaction between the index and the match function used independently. So we can now combine the power of these two. You can see how they are quite related. The index that gave us the David, that is exactly what the match is giving us. It's giving us that index of that David. So we can actually combine these two functions together to give us the power of the VLOOKUP or the HLOOKUP function. So in the next video we'll be taking a look at this. Thank you very much for your time. I'm Adidolapo, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video if you find it helpful. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.